Hi darlings, this is Sewing Julie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you prepared. As you know, probably from my Instagram, if you follow me there, I am in my late pregnancy and I wanted to show you a few looks that I made for this very special season of my life. Now, truth be told, this is my first pregnancy, so I did not know how fast I will grow or how much I will grow. So I didn't actually make maternity clothes, and my goal was to create items that I could later wear after I give birth. So let's start with the very first dress that I made when I knew I was pregnant, and it was this Burda Style dress. Now I made this design before and this fabric, and I absolutely love this dress. I get so many compliments when I'm wearing this dress. It's such a beautiful dress. In the description box I will mark and link the pattern for this particular dress, and in fact all the dresses that I will talk about today, so that you can check them out if you want to make them yourself. So basically I made this pattern the way it is. The only difference was I changed the suggested fabric belt with elastic waistline because I wore it during my pregnancy, so I wanted to give that a bit of a stretch at the waist area for me to grow. Now, truth be told, I outgrew this dress in like 4th month and it was very visible, but before that it fitted me quite well, and I will definitely wear this dress after I give birth. Now moving on, we have this beautiful pink Rutched dress. Now I have a tutorial for this dress, so if you want to make it, I will link it down below in the description box. And I wore it until I was around 5 months pregnant. Now I wasn't very showing, but I was showing. However, because of all those darts, all those ruches, this dress really hugged the belly beautifully and it looked so great. Actually, I posted this picture on the Instagram when I was visible already, but I wasn't ready to announce my pregnancy to the world. It was maybe a 5th month or so, and I was a bit worried that I would get called out, but I didn't, so lucky me. Now this dress was probably one of my favorite dresses during entire pregnancy, and I made it when it was extremely hot here where I live. It was like 35 degrees Celsius outside. It was hot, but again, I didn't want to announce in the office that I'm pregnant, so I wanted something very loose and breezy that would give me, you know, that comfort yet would hide my pregnancy a little bit. So this shape of the dress worked beautifully and I loved wearing it. It was very breezy, it kept me not hot, which is a huge benefit, and it looked stunning. I got so many compliments. Again, this is my own pattern. I will link it down below, and I have a video tutorial for a very similar dress, so in case you want to do the same pattern, I will link both those options in the description box. Now, next dress that I wore during my pregnancy is this beautiful yellow dress. Now this dress is from Burda Style, and I think it's from 2013 or 2012 edition, something like this. I will link an exact pattern down below in the description box. But the thing is, when I bought this magazine years ago, this pattern caught my eye and I wanted to make it ever since. And while I was pregnant, I visited the fabric store and I saw this fabric, instantly matched it. It would be perfect for this pattern, and it actually was. I love this dress. The thing is that this dress, even if you're not pregnant, it does make you kind of look a little bit pregnant, so keep a note on that. Ideally, I would probably add less fabric at the waistline if I would make a non-pregnant version, but during the pregnancy it worked fine. It was also my announcement dress. I announced my pregnancy on Instagram with this dress, and I also wore it to the office when I was ready to, you know, show it. It is what it is. I'm 6th or 7th month pregnant, and here we are. So this dress is really beautiful, and I do recommend making it. It's fantastic, and I probably will wear it after I give birth as well. Now this dress I actually didn't make during pregnancy, but I wore quite a bit during pregnancy. I made it actually last year when I was not pregnant, and I wore it like this with the belt. Now when I became more visibly pregnant, this dress served very well, and it gave me lots of space, lots of comfort, and I loved it. It's again my own design, and I will link the pattern inspiration down below so that you can recreate this look. Now this next dress here was probably one of my favorite dresses that I made during pregnancy. Very well fitted design, beautiful fabric, and lots of space for the belly because I added ruches at both sides. Now this is a pregnancy belly pattern hack that you can add to any kind of design of dress, shirt, t-shirt, whatever. So I will link Instagram post that I made on how you can easily create this hack and turn any kind of pattern into maternity fitted pattern. This dress was very comfortable, and I felt very me wearing it, so I wore it a lot to the office, and I was very happy that I made it. Now this next dress is actually a sewing fail. I love the design and it looked so beautiful, but the thing is I bought this fabric online and it was so synthetic and so thick. So basically when I made the dress and I wore it to take photos at first, I got such a big heat flash and it was so uncomfortable, so I couldn't wear it. I loved how it looked. Because of the fabric, I just couldn't wear it. So, well, lesson learned. I should better choose fabric next time, and I might recreate this design in the future because I really liked it, and it is non-pregnant specific, so I can wear it anytime later. Now, next dress is an oversized sweater dress. I created this dress in collaboration with Elda Company when I was reviewing one of their overlocks. So this dress is created solely with an overlock and without using a standard sewing machine. Now I have a pattern inspiration in my Instagram if you want to create this look, and I will put it down in the description box. I absolutely love this dress. It's not pregnancy specific, it's an oversized, and it's one of those one size fit all kind of dresses. So no matter the stage of life you're in, it's such a beautiful dress, and it's perfect for the golden autumn that we're having here. Now for this dress I used a wool blend fabric, and it's so warm and so cozy, and just I love it. So next dress is the one that I'm wearing today, and here is the full version of it. This is again Burda Style dress. I love it. This pattern is old. It's almost a decade old. I made it in the past, and I love this design. The cowl neck, the ruches. It's such a beautiful dress, and I think I might make it again in the future because I just love this design and I get so many compliments when I'm wearing it. However, one small detail is that this dress runs big. The pattern itself runs big, so if you want it to be, you know, well fitted, and you do want it to be well fitted because of all the ruches at the sides, so no matter if you're pregnant or not, you have to do lots of changes in the front. I know from my body, you know, I didn't make any changes now when I am 8 months pregnant, and I made this dress and it fits without overstretching the fabric, so that, well, it gives you indication how much fabric there is in the waist area. And so if you want it to be close fitting and you're not pregnant, you will have to do a lot of adjustment on this pattern. But the good thing is that the pattern is definitely worth it and the look is beautiful. And now my very last pregnancy dress that I'm currently making, and fingers crossed I will finish it before this video is published, but if not, here is at least the layout. And if I have finished it, here is the look of how it looks like. Again, this is a Burda Style dress. I had an eye on this dress for 9 years since I had this magazine, and it's you know, I waited for the right time, the right fabric, and it all connected to one place. And this I already know this, that I will love this dress. So here are all of my pregnancy do-it-yourself looks, and I hope you like them. I did wear some amazing dresses and they were very comfortable, and I'm very glad that in this special journey I wore my handmade clothing, which made this waiting time even more special. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!